back on their machine. Well, I think the other one might just need a bit of medical attention, so hopefully nothing serious. We had a brilliant moto number 2. With Harley Jones taking the moto win. There was 3 of us into the final corner. Well, we're going to get more of the same this time around. Here they come, and this time it's Thomas Bumper that leads the way. Remember, he fell off on the final corner last time round, battling for the lead. But this is where he wants to be. As the 17th guys the outside line there, the blue side coming up the number 9 and 3rd. Harley Jones rest of the field, making their way through. And there's the leader on the ladies, Leah Truman with the 126 round 1 third there, Jada Morris.